In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your portfolio website with Notion. We'll be using a ready-made template from the Notion Marketplace, which makes the whole process quick and beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional portfolio site that you can customize and share with potential clients, employers, or collaborators. First, open Notion on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want your portfolio to live. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation area. Look for the option that takes you to the Notion Marketplace. This is where creators share templates you can duplicate into your own workspace. Go ahead and click on Marketplace to open it in a new view. Once the Marketplace page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can look for different templates. Click into the search bar and type in Portfolio Website. Then press Enter. Notion will now show you a list of templates designed specifically for creating portfolio websites. Take a moment to scroll through the results. You'll see different styles, layouts, and focuses like personal branding, creative portfolios, or more minimal designs. For this tutorial, choose the template named Personal Portfolio Website 2026, or the closest match you see in your marketplace. Click on that template to open its preview page. On the templates page, you'll see a detailed preview of how the portfolio is structured. This often includes sections like an About Me area, projects, skills, contact information, and maybe a blog or case studies. Skim through the preview so you understand what you're getting. Remember, everything you see can be edited later, so don't worry if the default content isn't exactly what you need. Now, look for the button that allows you to add or duplicate this template to your own workspace. It will usually say something like Add or Use this template. Click on Add. Notion will create a copy of the portfolio website inside your workspace so you can fully customize it. Once it's added, you can start replacing the placeholder text and images with your own information. Update your name, your bio, your project descriptions, and your contact links. You can also adjust colors, fonts, and layout elements to better match your personal brand. That's it for setting up the base portfolio website using Notion's Marketplace template. From here, it's all about personalizing the content so it truly represents you and your work.